This simple fly is called a zebra midge, and it catches everything from bluegill to steelhead. To tie one, start by grabbing a scud hook and placing it upside down in your vise. This makes adding a bead much easier. Next, flip the hook over and secure firmly. Then, grab a black tying thread and tie in just behind the bead, then snip the excess free. Now grab some small silver wire and secure it to the hook, continuing well into the bend. Then begin building up a smooth body transition by wrapping back and forth up the hook, ending each pass slightly shorter than the previous. Now grab your wire and begin wrapping it up the hook in open spirals until you reach the bead. Then capture the wire and helicopter the excess free. Finally, add a 4 to 5 turn whip finish, snip your tying thread, and add a drop of head cement. If you enjoyed this content, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.